Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your subscriber count on YouTube. Let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So, the first thing that you need to do once you're on YouTube, just go over on your profile icon right here and click on YouTube Studio, which is the third option. It should take you to a page similar to this one. And once you are here, the only thing for you to do is just hit the settings button, which is the second to last option on the left side right here. And once you've clicked on it, just hit channel, which is the second option. Here we're going to click on the advanced settings and just scroll down until you find subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. If you want people to not be able to see how many subscribers you got, just make sure that this box is unticked. If you want people to see your subscriber count, just tick it, and then the only thing left for you to do after you changed it, just hit save. And now you can hide your subscriber count from other people. That's all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.